Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss by knowing only sine and cos values. That means sine 0 degrees, 30 degrees, and like that. Cos 0 degree, 0, 30, 60, 45. By knowing only those two, how can we find tan, cot, secant, and cosecant? So by knowing only those two values, let us find the tan, cot, secant, and cosecant. So first let us start with tan. Tan 0. Tan 0 means sin 0 by cos 0. So sin 0 means 0 and cos 0 means 1. That is equal to 0. 0 by 1 is 0. So now tan 30. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. So sin 30 by cos 30 means sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So that is, so here 2 gets cancelled. So the remaining one is 1 by root 3. So now tan 45. So tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45. So sin 45 means 1 by root 2 and cos 45 means, and cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So that is, so here this root 2 and this root 2 will be cancelled one time, and this one and this one. So that is the, so the remaining one is 1. Now tan 60 means sin 60 by cos 60. So sin 60 means root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So the remaining one is root 3. Root 3 by 1 means root 3 only. So now tan 90 is equal to sin 90 by cos 90. So tan 90. So here sin 90 means 1 and cos 90 means 0. 1 by 0 means it is not defined. So now cot 0 means cos 0 by sin 0. Generally cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So that's why cot 0 is equal to, here in the place of theta the 0 is given. So that is cos 0 by sin 0. That is equal to, so cos 0 means 1 and sin 0 means 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. Now cot 30. Cot 30 means cos 30 by sin 30. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 means 1 by 2. So now 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So that, so the remaining one is root 3. Now cot 45. Cot 45 is equal to cos 45 by sin 45. So cot 45. So here cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Sin 45 means also 1 by root 2. So here root 2 will be cancelled and 1 will be cancelled one time. So the remaining one is 1. So now cot 60. Cot 60 means cos 60 by sin 60. So cos 60 means 1 by 2 and sin 60 means root 3 by 2. So here 2 will be cancelled and the remaining one is 1 by root 3. And now cot 90. Cot 90 means cos 90 by sin 90. So cos 90 means 0 and sin 90 means 1. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So now secant 0 is equal to 1 by cos 0. Means inverse of cos means 1. So cos 0 means also 1. So even if this one is also inversed, then we will, even though we will get 1 only. So secant 0 means 1. Now secant 30. Secant 30 means inverse of cos 30. So cos 30 is, so 1 by root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So it will be inversed. Means this one will be up. So new denominator will come up. So so that is equal to root 2 by root 3. So inversed. It is inversed. Now secant 45 means 1 by cos 45. Means inverse of cos. That is 1 by root 2. Means it is inversed. So it will become root 2. Now secant 60 means inverse of cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it will be inversed. If it is so 1 by 2 means we will get 2. Now secant 90 means inverse of cos 90. That is 1 by 1 minute. Yeah, cos 90 means 0. No? So 1 by 0, that is not defined. So now cosecant cosecant 0 means inverse of sine. So 1 by sine 0 means sine 0 means 0, so that is equal to not defined. So now cosecant 30 means inverse of sine 30, that is 1 by 1 by 2, because sine 30 is 1 by 2, so that is equal to 2. Now cosecant 45, that is equal to inverse of sine 45. So sine 45 is 1 by so sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so 1 by 1 by root 2, so it will be inverse means root 2. Now cosecant 60 means inverse of sine 60, means sine 60 means root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2, so it will be inverse, that is equal to 2 by root 3. Now cosecant 90 means 1 by sine 90, that is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 only, so sine, why, because sine 90 is 1, so that is 1 by 1. So if we inverse also, we will get the same value, that is 1. So in this way we can find, by knowing only sine and cos, we can sine 0, cos sine 0, sine 30, sine 60, sine 9, sine 45, sine 60. By knowing only these values, we can find tan a, cot a, secant a and cosecant a. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.